Welcome with Captain Rafat Wasef in FreeCodeCamp channel. We'll continue learning programming in Visual Basic. We'll learn a lot of programming languages. Let us continue on Visual Basic. After that, we'll start a new programming language. Welcoming Rafat with me. What you would like to learn, Rafat, today?
Would like to create a calculator in Visual Basic.
Would like to create a calculator by Visual Basic. It's possible? Yes, it's possible. You can create calculator, multiplication, plus division. Let us learn together how to create calculator in Visual Basic using Excel software. Let's start now. Welcome with the FreeCodeCamp channel. Today, very interesting episode, how to create calculator. Last time we create plus button. As you can see, this button do the summation of this. If you put here 1000 and here 4000, click here, it's 5000, the total. P5, C, P8 plus C8, put it here in B5. Let us create another button for multiplication. Just to make it easy, just copy this button, put it here. Okay, but still this do the function of the summation. How you create multiplication function? First, change the sign here. Instead of plus, make it multiplication. We need to create a program, a code to do the multiplication. As you learn, you go to macros, view, go to any of this, like I did before, plus. Here, you see here, this is a plus. P5, the result, B range P8 plus C8. To save time, as you can see here, I made one for multiplication. View here, Rafat multiplication. Edit just to see multiplication. The value in B5, the total of the multiplication, equal range B8 value multiplied, the asterisk means multiplication, by C8. Assign this to the multiplication, Rafat multiply. You go here, the button we just created, and assign macro, and go to Rafat multiply, this one, and make it. When you click here, multiplication. If you put here 5, here 8, multiply 40, plus 5 plus 8, 13. Multiply 5, multiply by 8, 40. Good. Let us do for the division. Easy. Copy this, button, put it here, as we learn. You go to Google. If you need the division, we can search for division symbol. Division symbol. Go here. You can copy any division symbol here. Go to here, and instead of paste it here, and instead of replace the plus button with the division. Now we need to create for division. If you go here, I create one for division, Rafat div. Just to save time, Rafat divide. See it? Range, the value in B5 equal range B8 divided by C8. Now we have to go here, assign this for the division. Assign macro, go Rafat div, divide. If you divide, for example, here 50 divided by 5, it will be 10. If this is 900 divided by 5, 180. If you want to plus, if you want to multiply. Okay. The last one, if you want to do the minus, copy any one of them, any button, put it here, paste it. We need to do what? Minus, right? You just change this to minus, and we have to create module to run the minus function. Go to view. I already assign one for minus. I call it Rafat minus. Let us go to Rafat minus here. We'll try to find it. It's a lot of module here. Plus, or you go to any one. If you didn't find for one, we can create it. It's not big deal. Okay, go to one of the plus here. Edit. One plus. Edit. We can copy this. Make a new module. Insert a new module. You can call it Raf minus, and instead of plus here you just put the minus sign. Easy. Raf minus, and just save to be able to see it. Here assign macro, go back here, we need to assign the macro of Raf minus here. Okay, if we do this minus, you see here 900 minus 5 895. If you plus, division, multiplication. Now we end the 4 function of the calculator. I hope you like it. Please, if you didn't subscribe, and you will learn more about Visual Basic, C, Turbo C, Objective C, Kotlin, programming to create application for iPhone and Android. We just start with Visual Basic, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Thank you, and subscribe to join our family. Have a good day.
Do not forget to subscribe.